We have another hot Google tip for you today because there are 3 things that you should get if you are using the right keyword. I mean, it's 100% free, guys, so I don't know why you're not doing this already, but what are the keywords?
Welcome to Reframe Your Biz with Jill Lunny and Kristen Crowley, 2 women in wellness and fitness here to help entrepreneurs save thousands with tips and tricks on social media, PR, and more. We help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you sign up for our membership and get ready to reframe.
All right, it is on with J and K. We are here to help you grow your brand and reframe your biz. And we have another hot Google tip for you today because there are 3 things that you should get if you are using the right keywords. And the keyword is really important for building your brand. So Jill's going to tell you the 3 things that, I mean, it's 100% free, guys. So I don't know why you're not doing this already, but what are the keywords?
Well, first of all, what is a keyword? Very simply, it's really what is your business proposition? What is your business about? So are you an online fitness trainer? Those are keywords. So whatever you decide your business is about or what your clients Google, those are key to your business and what makes sense. So what do you want to do? Create consistency. So those keywords that you have should be on your Instagram profile, your Facebook profile, your LinkedIn profile, your Twitter, your website. You're using these words consistently over all platforms. So no matter where anybody goes, they know exactly who you are and what you do. So that is very, very important. The second one, Google rankings. So if you use your keywords in your SEO, and I know that's a very scary word, we'll go through that in another time. But your back end of your website, if you got a ninja typing away your keywords, that's great. Your website, the stuff that public actually sees, if you have the same words, Google starts to recognize that. You're getting rankings, which means you show up when somebody's Googling that word and they're going to click to your website. We want that. And the other one, ideal customer. The worst thing ever is trying to be generalized and try to get everybody in your business. And then you're getting nobody and everyone's getting off your website because that's not what they wanted. So if you use your keywords, you're getting your ideal client, which means that's your customer and they're going to pay. Keywords are incredible for your business. If you haven't done them, our reFRAME business and our monthly membership, we go heavily into this. So if you want to learn how to do keywords, we'll teach you how.
Yep, and it's very easy. We'll put the link in the comments below to join Reframe Your Biz, or you can check us out on Instagram. And of course, if you found this simple tip helpful, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share here on YouTube with It's On with J and K, because we are trying to help entrepreneurs save thousands of dollars. So if you want to join the monthly membership, we highly encourage you get in on it because we go way deeper than we are on here to help you reframe your biz. All right, we'll see you guys next time.
We hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and join our monthly membership to reframe your biz.